It all begins with discarded plastics, waiting to be reborn.
Each type is separated, preparing for the journey ahead. Compression condenses the waste, making it ready for transport. Loaded and ready, the journey to the recycling plant begins. Across the city, waste finds its way to transformation. At the factory, the true process is about to begin. Each bale holds potential for a new life. A careful eye ensures only recyclable materials proceed.
Separation begins to shape the raw material for processing.
Accurate measurement guides the plant's processing plan.
A transformation begins with the first cut into the future. From shredder to collection, plastics are gathered for their journey.
Conveyors guide materials efficiently through the facility. Air-powered tubes carry the material swiftly across the plant.
Precision transport keeps the material on schedule.
Every kilogram is tracked to optimize recycling efficiency.
Controlled loading ensures a smooth flow to processing stations.
Automation begins to refine the raw material for processing. Sorting ensures only suitable plastics advance for recycling. Water-based separation removes impurities with precision. Moisture is removed, preparing the material for transformation. And finally, the clean, dry plastics await the next stage of recycling. The facility stands ready, a hub of transformation and efficiency. Every shipment is carefully guided to the proper entry point.
Every worker's entry is monitored, ensuring safety and accountability.
From truck to conveyor, materials are seamlessly integrated into the workflow.
Inside, the journey of transformation continues uninterrupted.
Every detail of the plant is designed for efficiency and safety.
Hands-on supervision ensures smooth operations across all lines.
Safety is embedded in every corner of the plant.
Constant monitoring maintains operational excellence.
Preparation at entry points sets the stage for precise processing.
And so, the materials cross the threshold into the heart of recycling. Powerful sprays reach every crevice, restoring material purity. Cleaning begins, stripping away dirt and residues. Mechanical scrubbing ensures even stubborn residues are removed. A final rinse purifies the material before drying.
Water is extracted, preparing plastics for sorting.
Water is extracted, preparing plastics for sorting. color separation ensures consistent quality for recycled products.
Technology complements human precision in every step. Density separation filters out impurities by weight. Even tiny metallic fragments are carefully removed. And with that, the material is ready for the heart of recycling. The core stage begins, reducing plastics to manageable fragments. Uniformity is key, guiding material toward precise granulation. Magnetic filtration eliminates hidden contaminants efficiently. Every granule is now ready for precise purification. Density separation guarantees purity at the heart of the process. Controlled cooling stabilizes the material for the next stage. Here, granules will be transformed by heat and pressure into new forms. Granulation transforms shredded plastics into standard-sized pieces. Excess moisture is removed, preparing granules for transformation. Hoppers serve as buffers, maintaining constant supply for processing. And so, the raw granules become the building blocks of new products.
Heat and pressure reshape waste into flowing material once again.
Cooling begins immediately to stabilize the new form. Controlled cooling locks in strength and consistency. Precision cutting creates uniform recyclable pellets. Each pellet now carries the promise of reuse.
Drying ensures the material meets production standards.
Temperature control preserves pellet integrity.
Human expertise confirms consistency beyond automation.
Storage systems hold material ready for final processing.
Flow control maintains accuracy at every stage.
Now refined, the material advances to intelligent automation. Automation now governs precision at industrial scale. Only compliant material moves forward. Systems communicate, balancing speed and accuracy. Micro adjustments ensure uniform output. Robotics maintain balance without interruption.
Human oversight complements machine intelligence.
Instant corrections keep production flawless. Feedback loops eliminate variability. With precision achieved, the final refinement begins. Automation hands off to precision finishing. Precision begins with perfect alignment. Finishing refines every surface. Even invisible debris is eliminated. Consistency is measured in microns.
Color uniformity confirms material integrity.
Only perfection proceeds. Final cooling locks in quality.
Static control preserves material behavior. Human judgment remains essential. Traceability completes the finishing stage.
Now, science confirms what precision has created.
Before release, every batch must be proven.
Sampling captures the truth of the entire batch.
Preparation ensures accurate measurement.
Flow behavior defines processing performance.
Density confirms material composition.
Strength ensures durability in future products.
Purity is verified at microscopic levels.
Data confirms readiness for distribution.
Nothing is wasted. Everything is recovered.
Certified material moves forward with confidence. The final stage now begins. Precision continues until the very last step. Each bag is sealed with exacting accuracy. Traceability follows every product.
Human checks finalize the process.
Automation prepares products for shipment. Protection ensures safe transport.
Finished products await distribution. Logistics completed the cycle.
Recycled material is ready to re-enter the world.
And this is how modern factories produce plastic recycled materials from waste to new products, from start to finish.
Turning waste into value, one process at a time.